Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Good Conduct Time Allowance, or GCTA. Good Conduct Time Allowance. It is a privilege granted to a prisoner, whether detained or convicted by final judgment, entitling him to a reduction of his jail or prison term for every month of actual detention or service of sentence as a reward for good conduct and exemplary behavior. Ito ay isang pribilehiyo na pinagkakaloob sa isang bilanggo, detained man o nahatulan na nagbibigay sa kanya ng karapatang mabawasan ang kanyang panahon ng pagkakakulong sa bilangguan o piitan bawat buwan na aktual na pagkakakulong o pagsisilbi ng sentensya bilang gantimpala sa mabuting asal at huwarang pag-uugali. Sino ang mga bilanggong hindi pwedeng bigyan nito? The following shall not be entitled to any GCTA during preventive imprisonment. Habang nililitis pa ang kanilang kaso, itong mga ito ay hindi pwedeng bawasan ng GCTA. First, recidivist. Second, an accused who has been convicted previously twice or more times of any crime. Third, an accused who, upon being summoned for the execution of his sentence, has failed to surrender voluntarily before a court of law. Fourth, habitual delinquent. Fifth, escapee. And sixth, PDL charged with heinous crimes. GCTA after conviction. The good conduct of a convicted PDL in any penal institution, rehabilitation, or detention center, or any other local jail shall entitle him to the deductions as GCTA from the period of his sentence, pursuant to Section 3 of RA 10592. Yung mga convict na, meaning may final judgment na at nagsiserve na sa kulungan, entitled po sila sa GCTA regardless kung ano man ang crime na nakomit. Yung disqualification ay applicable lang during preventive imprisonment. So ilan ang ibabawas? A qualified prisoner, whether detained or convicted by final judgment, shall be entitled to the following deductions from his sentence for good conduct. First, during the first 2 years of imprisonment, a deduction of 20 days for each month of good behavior. Second, during the 3rd to 4th year, inclusive of his imprisonment, a deduction of 23 days. Third, during the following years until the 10th year, inclusive of his imprisonment, a deduction of 25 days. Fourth, during the 11 and successive years of imprisonment, a deduction of 30 days for each month of good behavior. Fifth, at any time during the period of preventive imprisonment or service of sentence, a qualified PDL entitled to GCTA shall, in addition thereto, be allowed another deduction of 15 days for each month of study, teaching, or mentoring service. Example, nakakulong na siya ng 2 years. Sa 2 years na yon ay in good behavior siya. So 2 years is 24 months. 24 months times 20 days is 480 days or 1 year and 4 months. Mababawasan siya ngayon sa asistensya niya ng 1 year and 4 months dahil sa GCTA. Sino naman ang nag-grant ng time allowance? Whenever lawfully justified, the following official shall grant time allowances. First, Director General of the Bureau of Corrections. Second, Chief of the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology. And or third, Warden of a provincial, district, city, or municipal jail. Take note, once nabigyan na siya ng GCTA, hindi na ito pwedeng bawiin. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.